Spring is in full swing and the housing market is picking up along with it. And if you've been wondering whether now is the right time to buy or sell, here's the inside scoop. Why this spring, the spring of 2025, may be a great time to make your move. First, there are more homes for sale after a long stretch of tight inventory. The number of homes for sale is finally improving. According to recent national data from Realtor.com, as well as more localized data from our very own MLS, active listings are up 27.5% compared to this time last year in 2024. Although inventory levels still haven't returned to pre-pandemic norms, the number is higher than it has been going into the spring market over the past few years. What does this mean for buyers? For buyers, it means you have more choices and you can be more selective. For sellers, it means with more homes available than in recent years, you're more likely to find what you're looking for when you move. And knowing that inventory is still below more normal levels means there will be demand for your home when you sell it too. Okay? Let's talk about home price growth. Okay? It's moderating. As inventory continues to grow, the pace of home price growth is slowly going down. And that will continue into the spring market. This is because prices are driven by supply and demand. When there are more homes for sale, buyers have more options, so there's less competition for each house. And rising supply and less buyer competition causes prices to grow, the growth to slow down. But it should still remain positive in most markets, especially ours, because we're hitting PCS season. And as Freddie Mac says, in 2025, we expect the pace of house price appreciation to moderate from levels seen in 2024, while still maintaining a positive trajectory. And while prices aren't dropping at the national level, every market is different. Some areas are seeing stronger price growth. We're one of them. While others are cooling off or even seeing some price declines. Buyers, the slower pace of growth means prices aren't rising as quickly as before, and for you, that's a relief. Any home you buy now is likely to appreciate in value over time, helping you build equity. Now for the sellers, while prices are still rising, you might need to adjust your expectations. Overpricing your home in a more balanced market could mean it takes longer to sell. Pricing your house competitively, on the other hand, is going to be key. It's key to attracting the offers that you want. Also, take into consideration mortgage rates are finally stabilizing, and that's been one of the biggest hurdles for buyers over the past couple of years. It has been high, volatile mortgage rates, but there's some good news. Overall, they've stabilized in recent weeks and have even declined a bit since the beginning of this year. And while that decrease hasn't been a big drop, we're not going to see 3% anytime soon, stabilizing mortgage rates have helped make buying a home a bit more predictable. And according to Selma Hepp, she's one of the chief economists over at CoreLogic, she claims that with the spring home buying season upon us, the recent improvement in mortgage rates may help invite home buyers back into the market. So buyers, when mortgage rates are more stable, it's easier to plan ahead because you have a better idea of what your future payment might be. But remember, rates will continue to be volatile. So Lean on your agent and your lender to make sure you know what the latest mortgage rate means for you. Sellers, slightly lower rates that are starting to stabilize are encouraging more buyers to move forward with their plans. And that's good for demand. So when you're planning to sell your home, just remember, more buyers are returning with more inventory and slowing price growth and stabilizing mortgage rates. Buyers are gaining confidence and coming back into the market. Demand is picking up. 2 contracts in the last 2 days for me. And that data from the Mortgage Bankers Association shows an increase in mortgage applications compared to the start of the year. Buyers, all I can say is this: acting sooner rather than later is a smart move before your competition heats up even more. For the sellers, this is great news for you. More buyers means a better chance of selling your home quickly and price in terms that you want. The bottom line is, if you have questions about what the spring market means for you, let's connect and talk about how to craft your plan to help you win in this season or any season. With more homes for sale, potential slowing price growth, and stabilizing mortgage rates, how will this impact your decision to buy, sell, or invest this spring? I'm Stephen L. Scacandy with LPT Realty, and I look forward to speaking with you. Talk to you soon.